Stunning images from New York Harbor Monday. A 1,000-bed U.S. Navy hospital ship docking on Manhattan's west side earlier than originally expected to treat non-coronavirus patients. The goal, easing the load on city hospitals, overwhelmed by the biggest COVID-19 outbreak in the U.S.
We all watched something absolutely extraordinary, absolutely inspiring as the USNS Comfort entered New York Harbor, coming here to save the lives of New Yorkers in our hour of need. We've all been through a lot these last few weeks, and we needed this boost.
New York City's mayor says Comfort is just part of the plan to expand hospital capacity, explaining his city needs to triple the number of beds it had at the beginning of March by May. A field hospital is now being built in New York's Central Park. It's expected to begin accepting patients Tuesday.
Anyone who says this situation is a New York City only situation is in a state of denial. You see this virus move across the state. You see the virus move across this nation.
At his Monday update, New York's governor confirming his state accounts for almost half of his country's confirmed cases. Donald Trump on Sunday extended his stay-at-home guidelines until the end of April, dropping a widely criticized plan to reopen the U.S. by Easter. Details on the prolonged measures expected Tuesday. Trump's dramatic change of course coming after his advisor, Dr. Anthony Fauci, said on CNN that the U.S. could see between 100 to 200,000 deaths and millions of infections from the pandemic.
If we can hold that down, as we're saying, to 100,000, it's a horrible number. Maybe even less, but to 100,000. So we have between 100 and 200,000.
Justin Trudeau was asked Monday if Canada is on the same trajectory as the U.S.
Je pense que toute proportion gardée, on n'est pas exactement sur la même trajectoire.
In French, the Prime Minister saying early indications show Canada is not necessarily on the same path as our American neighbors, and that Canada was faster to roll out screening. But the impact of Canada's efforts, like the push to stay at home and self-isolate, won't be clear for another week or two. The PM now in his third straight week of sharing daily updates outside his residence in Ottawa, where he, like so many of us, is practicing physical distancing. For City News, I'm Melissa Duggan.